What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Bmw R1200Gs. Guys, this bike's awesome looking. It's red black paint scheme, looks super good. It's got pretty low miles, got 15,000 on it. It is a GS, guys, so I mean this guy definitely did ride the bike. Got some scuffs there on the tail light. No bags or anything. We have the tender hookup. This is all in pretty good shape. Rear tire's in really good shape. It's got tons of tread left. Got some scuffing there, if you can see that on the bottom of the engine. Scuffing on that engine guard. It's got the skid plate underneath. Plastics are in good shape. They do have a tiny bit of scuffing right there. A little bit of scuffing on the hand guards. Bark busters. Front's in good shape. Fender's in good shape. Front tire has good tread. This all looks like it's in good shape. Just stock exhaust. Wilbur's racing suspension. Dang! It's got ABS, heated grips, whole 9 yards. You can see that. Let's fire this piece up. Guys, like I said, 2005 BMW R1200Gs, guys. It's going to be a cheaper way to get into a GS bike. This bike's awesome. It doesn't have as much tech, obviously, as the newer ones, but it's a super cool bike. Guys, it's a great riding bike, a great adventure bike. I mean, this is the cream of the crop when it comes to adventure bikes. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike.